Hello, welcome to my channel. Firstly, I'd like to say a very big thank you to all my viewers and my subscribers that wished me well on my birthday. Your wishes are really appreciated. Today, we are going to make a quick and easy vegetarian meal, which is also very tasty. Today, we are making cauliflower with canned butter beans. My ingredients that I will need for the recipe is, here I have 500 gram of cauliflower, which I cleaned and rinsed out. Now cauliflower is available in the stores and market. I'm also using 410 gram of butter beans, a medium onion sliced, 1/3 of a cup oil, 1 medium tomato which I grated, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic, and then for my masalas, I'm using a tablespoon of mixed masala, a teaspoon of hurdee, a teaspoon of garam masala, and a teaspoon of Dhania jeera powder. For the taste, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, but we will adjust. And then for the braise, I cut some lovely fresh curry leaf, and for garnishing, I cut some lovely fresh dhania. This is going to be a very quick recipe. We are going to start by braising. I've got my stove on moderate heat and I'm using a flat pot. I'm going to add in my oil to the pot. And then throw in my onions. I will allow these onions to fry till soft. My onions are turning beautifully brown. So I'm going to add in my curry leaf. And also my ginger garlic. I'll give this a few seconds. I'm going to quickly throw in all my masalas. This is my cauliflower. I cleaned and cut them in smaller stems and I rinsed it out. I'm going to give this a nice mix. And I'm also going to throw in my salt. The salt will allow the liquid from the cauliflower to release faster. I'm going to cover with the lid and allow this to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes has passed for my cauliflower. I did add half the cup water and I lowered my heat, so it was braising slowly. I'm just going to throw in my butter beans to the cauliflower and allow this to fry out. Because this butter beans is from the can, it's already soft. But you can also use your boiled butter beans if you want. Another 10 minutes has passed and you can see how nice the masala is coated in to the cauliflower and the beans. I am going to add in my tomatoes and allow these tomatoes to cook out. Give this a nice mix. I will put the lid on and allow the tomatoes to cook. Another 10 minutes has passed and my tomatoes are cooked out. And my cauliflower is quite soft, and even the butter beans is done. For a thick gravy finish, I'm using half a cup of water, and I'll allow this to come to the boil. This curry will be a little bit drier, but with a thick gravy finish. Another 2 minutes has passed. Now you can see we got a nice thick gravy finish. I'm going to switch my stove off and I'm going to garnish with my fresh dhania. And then we're ready to serve. Here you go, your lovely cauliflower braised with some canned butter beans. It was quite simple and easy, and it's most likely very delicious. Altogether, it took just about half an hour to cook. And we are serving it with some lovely jeera puri today. It's a nice and dry curry to eat with the lovely puri. And we also got some fresh ground Dhania chutney to go with. For both the recipes, have a look at the channel. Pranesh will link the recipe. And also have a look at all the cauliflower recipes that we did, including our cauliflower roti. I hope you'll give this one a try and enjoy.